فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?
Double strokes, Tanween. Double Fatha, double Kasra, double Damma. Written below are three kinds of Tanween signs: double Fatha, double Kasra, double Damma. Any letter marked with Tanween produces the sound of Noon with a jazm. Double Damma. Double Fatha. Double Kasra. Double Fatha. Double Damma. Double Fatha. Double Damma. Double Kasra. Double Fatha. Double Kasra. Double Damma. Double Fatha. Double Damma. Double Kasra. Double Damma. Double Fatha.
An, ban, tan, tan, jan, han, khon, then, one, then, sen, shen, one, one, an, one, tan, qan, ten, len, man, nan, wan, han, yan.
Blue-colored alphabets are huruf mustalia. These are read in a thick voice.
One, 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 Tanween and Noon Saakin.
The letter Noon with a jazm on it is called Noon Saakin. Tanween and Noon Saakin produce a similar sound. Example:
ban, tan, an, ban, tan, sen, pan, man, nan, wan, yan.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?